Before I get into our recap, I want to show you what we've done thus far this year. We're into the 10th day of the year, not near as many trading days. This is where you'd come to our site and you'd come over here to the platinum level and you'd go to the Platinum Center paper trading portfolio. And that would take you to this right here. And what I want to concentrate on is the activity thus far this year. And as you can see, it started on the 4th with a purchase of Berkshire Hathaway at 359.77. Its current price today is 366.68. So we haven't sold out of it. We do have a stop loss order on it, and that's what we recommend to each of you. I put a 5%, so I've got a $6.91 on 100 shares, so I've got a $691 profit as we go. Then I'm showing you all the stocks that we've recommended thus far this year, some that are not near as pricey as Berkshire Hathaway. So that's a decision you make, and the number of shares that you make, you buy is up to you. But we always recommend utilize a stop loss order so that as they go up, you get stopped out if they go down. Now you'll notice some of them are showing a negative number. That's because the price has come down. Let's pick one of them. Let's say this is C.H. Robinson. We bought it at 88.59. Its price right now is 87.20, but that's not 5% below the 88, so we're still in it. So we're holding a $139 loss. If it goes below that my 5% stop loss, I'll be stopped out. But nonetheless, right now, based on the trades, the 10 trades that we've done thus far this year, we're up $1,639. That's how it works. Now let me show you how we did last year with a similar summary.
Best of Us Investors presents Kerry Griegmeyer.
I want to walk you through the transactions that took place on our Platinum program last year so you can have a clear understanding of what I talked about yesterday. The first thing I'd suggest you do is do a screenshot of this picture here so that then you can read exactly what the details are of how the program's set up and what indicators are used to give us signals. The first stock that was purchased under the swing trading program was Marathon Petroleum, MPC. This is the price it was purchased at on 12/27/22. This is the price it was sold at on 12/28. So it was only held for 1 day. The profit taken was 0.87%. Okay, they had a stop limit on it, and so they had a gain of $1. Or because they buy 100 shares in the paper trading platform, there was a $100 profit. As you can see, we go through every trade that was taken in the year, and we break it down so that you can see what is being bought or what was bought and how it was set up. As you can see, the number of days range from, here's one at 1 day, and here's another one on AbbVie, that's a pharmaceutical company. It was held for 18 days. We detail in here what the sell indicators are and any other factors that came in. The numbers in green are profits. The numbers in red are losses. You are going to have some losses, and you'll see month by month the amount of trading changes. Why is that? It's because Mark looks and studies the charts, studies the indicators, and finds the stocks that are ripe to be taken. As you can see, some months are more productive than others. We only trade when we believe we can make a profit. And as you can see, we go through the year and come down to the totals, and what we find is that we had 129 wins, 36 losses, and the the wins yielded us more than the losses. The overall wins amounted to $41,632. Now, that can be misleading because, again, 100 shares was bought in each of the stocks. That means that if you buy Berkshire Hathaway at $359.77, you've got a lot of money invested in it. But so what I wanted to do was show you that if you didn't have the money to invest in 100 shares, but you had a sum of money that you could allocate proportionately amongst the trades, what would your conclusions be? Well, again, I took the statistics and transferred them over to a dollar amount. So if you started the year and went through the year with $10,000 to invest, and you followed the suggested paper trades that Mark presented to you, your $10,000 would have turned into $19,253. If, on the other hand, you had $20,000, your $20,000 would have turned into $38,506. So you catch my drift, that you don't have to buy 100 shares. You buy what your budget allows you to buy. So that's how it works. This is a summary for 2023. This is a summary for November. And this is a summary for December. And just again, pointing it out, December results had a profit of $956. The 7 trades lost $60. So the net win was $899. And the participants paid $60 for Mark's advice and for my advice relative to the other parts of the portfolio. That's what this is all about. You know you're going to win, you know you're going to lose, but the key is to have more winners than losers. That's how this works. This is factual information. Take it for what it's worth, and you make a decision. Does this sort of thing look like something you want to do? As you can see, it is a daily activity, but you are guided through that activity because each day you get an email that tells you what stocks Mark is looking at and what his anticipated paper trades are going to be. Then with your understanding, and you're coming to the education sessions that he holds both on the Discord and on a Friday talk, you learn to do this. Once you decide that you can do it on your own and you don't need someone searching after 40 years of experience, the stock market to tell you, consider this stock based on what you know. That's swing trading. I hope that helps you, and I hope you see how this might fit into your life.